have some from the county executive. You want to do that one?
County executive, unfortunately, had to be in another part of the city. Tom DeGeese is a county executive. He's a Heights guy. He lives over on New York Avenue, so you know where that is. And he's been a Heights guy for his whole life. Served on the city council as council president for 8 years, and he's now the county executive for 9 years. And there's a whole lot of whereases on his proclamation. But I think the important one is that it says Jersey City Reservoir Preservation Alliance for the Christine McAuliffe School for the celebration of the Reservoir Day here in Jersey City Heights. Congratulations.
All right.
You know, we have another member of the City Council who just joined us, Councilman at Large Ray Velasquez. Ray. Nydia, sir.
And Kalima.
They're all here, okay. Nydia Lopez. Thank you, Nydia. Kalima Ahmad is here someplace.
She's on her way. She'll be here later, yeah.
She's on the trail.
She's touching the poison ivory.
Yeah. That's good scores you gave the mayor.
All right, well, I guess
Thank you everyone for coming, and we appreciate all your help and support, and enjoy the rest of the trail on the way back. Make sure that you take a raffle ticket. There's prizes that you can win. If you want to go fishing, just go back outside the entrance and walk around to Jefferson Street. You can go fishing and enjoy the rest of the day.
No swimming?
Thank you.
No swimming?
Go for it.
Hey, Ray, hold on.
all right, everyone go back to the
Miss Fisher, hold on.
1 minute.
One more.
Yes.
Hey, while everyone's here, hey, Frankie, Enzo, wait, Enzo, come here. Especially while the kids are here, I want you all to formally be introduced to Nick, great friend of myself and Mr. Brown, who generously, through the ownership of NJ Pain and Rehabilitation, sponsored our team. It was nice to know.
Thanks, let's go to your sign station. We got a busy day.
Let everybody go.
Right there, he's in front of you. Wait, you catch up to him.
You guys estaba aquí. Mayor, I didn't know that. Hello. I didn't know that Mayor Healy was here.
I didn't want him marking my test page. Good thing he's not correcting it.
Where's this?
All right.
RJ's with the mulberry. He's down there. That's nice. At least he got his certificate. I'm so proud of him. 13 minutes into it. This is beautiful, Val. Yeah? Beautiful.
Yeah, you know.
They've got flip-flops.
Mommy, no, we're sneakers.
You want to go swimming? You want to go swimming?
It's horrible.
That's the
No, not that
end.
one.
Where you want to go, babe?
34 pounds and high waist 30.
It's nice over here. It's very beautiful. Very peaceful. You gotta come here to fish.
How are you doing?
Is there more trail back there? Yeah, let's go. Vámonos. Let's go. Oh, better. Sorry.
You want juice? You want yogurt? I got yogurt.
Here, oh, messed it up. Ready? One, I haven't gone there. Two.
No. I know.
So is it possible to get any copies of these, or just
Excuse?
Now the sun is coming out. It's feeling it.
This is spooky. Yeah. Up in the front. But I want to see what's back here. It's cool, but this is a place for sneakers. But it's cool. I like it. Like it a lot. Cherry tree? Nice. It's nice to take pictures and stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
go right ahead.
Okay, thank you. Wow, cherry. Oh, this is the end. Yeah. They got a Japanese knotweed. Look at that.
Now, how did they get in down over there? Is that where the entrance is to the beach? Is that where it is?
Yeah, the water's quite high.
Cool. Look at the back.
I think on Laidlaw. I think you can get in. I think you can park
Let's
right
go
up
look for RJ. Vamos a buscar a RJ. RJ's in Mulberry.
But no, I don't mean any, heavy like with the neck, because once they start stretching, just to maintain it. See, because my neck was bothering me last week. I said, yeah, that's because I haven't been doing the exercises.
You don't get.
Gas stations to plant a seed. I hate you. I wanted to go get a seat, and he's like totally pushing me. That's a killjoy. No block. You gotta stay. This is quite dangerous also. So you have to watch your footing.
You could trip and fall into water and get wet. You got the chupacabra out here. I see dead people.
Shut up. Will you stop pushing me?
Please, you're too slow.
Hey, birch.
In the fall it turns yellow, and right now it's green.
I'm looking at the scenery too. So you definitely gotta come down here with RJ fishing. I wanna come. You hear me? Okay, I'm gonna cut this video and then I'm gonna start again.